1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. Information Minister says Prime Minister is committed to development of the country and solving its problems. Leader of Hizb-e-Islami Afghanistan, Gulbuddin Hekmatyar, along with a delegation, is arriving in Islamabad today on a 3-day visit to Pakistan. 5 people died due to coronavirus infection in the country during the last 24 hours. India ranks 94 among 107 nations in the Global Hunger Index 2020 and is in the serious hunger category. And now the news in detail. Minister for Information and Broadcasting Senator Syed Shibli Faraz has said that Prime Minister Imran Khan is committed to the development of country and solving its problems. Talking to media at Peshawar Press Club today, he said that the government's policies strengthen the economy and economic indicators improved. He said that the government is fully aware of the problems of journalists and is working to resolve the problems faced by the media industry. He said in the past, politicians practiced politics of vested interests aimed at weakening national institutions. Shibli Faraz said that the opposition is doing a failed show. He said that the opposition parties have joined hands to protect the looted wealth. He said that the opposition also attempted to blackmail the government on FATF legislation. Information Minister said that the people rejected these elements in 2018 elections. Award ceremony of Clean Green Index of 19 competing cities of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa will be held in Islamabad this evening. Prime Minister Imran Khan will participate as the chief guest. The Prime Minister launched the Green Pakistan movement on 25th November last year. The major focus of the initiative is to inculcate a spirit of competition on cleanliness initiatives in the cities and facilitate the behavioral change, building positive attitudes, institutional strengthening for better water sanitation and hygiene services and facilities. Leader of Hizb-e-Islami of Afghanistan, Gulbuddin Hekmatyar, along with a delegation, is arriving in Islamabad today on a 3-day visit to Pakistan. During the visit, Gulbuddin Hekmatyar will call on the Prime Minister and President and will meet Chairman Senate, Speaker National Assembly, Foreign Minister and other dignitaries. He will deliver a talk at the policy think tank and interact with the media. The visit of Gulbuddin Hekmatyar will provide an opportunity for exchange of views on Afghan peace process and strengthening of Pakistan-Afghanistan bilateral relations as well as people-to-people interaction. Pakistan has consistently supported an inclusive, broad-based and comprehensive political settlement through an Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace process. The visit of Gulbuddin Hekmatyar will further strengthen bilateral ties and people-to-people linkages between the two brotherly countries and help advance efforts for peace and stability. 440 more people tested COVID positive after the tests of 27,091 over the last 24 hours. According to the latest statistics, the virus claimed lives of 5 more people during the last 24 hours. The figure of patients recovered from the virus has reached 307,409. There are now 9,384 active cases in the country. The number of coronavirus cases across the world has surpassed 40.2 million, while the pandemic has claimed more than 1.1 million lives so far. The US is worst hit country with over 8.3 million infection cases and over 294,730 deaths, followed by India with over 7.5 million cases and over 114,600 deaths. More than 30.1 million patients stand recovered in the world. Special Representative to the Prime Minister on Religious Harmony, Maulana Muhammad Tahir Mahmood Ashrafi, has said that nobody will be allowed to speak against Pakistan Army. Addressing the Istehkam-e-Pakistan conference in Lahore, he said that Nawaz Sharif and Asif Zardari have only one agenda, that is to save themselves from corruption cases and to protect their looted money. India ranks 94 among 107 nations in the Global Global Hunger Index 2020 and is in the serious hunger category. The website of the Global Hunger Index that tracks hunger and malnutrition said the experts blamed poor implementation process, lack of effective monitoring, and siloed approach in tackling malnutrition for the low ranking. According to the report, 14% of India's population is undernourished. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.